inches of love, sex, and magic. If you can see my cap in the back, that's because she is breathing. She's breathable, so she's a breathing, okay? So you and I know you ain't about that life. So I had some technical difficulties. My mic died unbeknownst to me in the midst of me filming several videos. So I'm going to do my best overdubbing this, okay? Hello, my beautiful babies. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor, and I'm back. We are excited, okay? I'm here with another one from Klaiyi Hair. So I'm back with an Auburn red Jerry curl wig unit. She is glueless and a 4x4 closure. Take a look at the lace with the scalloped lace, okay, for ease. So you can wear her glueless, okay? So this unit has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. It also has this adjustable band, okay? I already have it kind of like in the middle because that's how tight I want it to be. It also comes with this latex band at the end. This really helps it if you want to lay down a ponytail. You could throw it up and go. Really, really good option for, wearing this unit several different ways. So I'm going to go on through and get this unit together. She's currently going for at 22 inches, $259 at 150% density. So I don't know if that's what I'm saying right here, but don't it look like I'm saying this? I'm just going to go on through, okay? This is the actual texture of the curl. This right here on the inside, I did comb her out a bit, so that's my fault in the beginning of this video, but I wanted to give you guys a good look at what she was working with. So let's dig on into the goodies that this unit came with. We have a wig bag. You always need one of these. Really helps you safely, save your unit, get her all the way together and give her someplace to sleep. A makeup brush. We got our lace band, okay, and a wig cap, all right? Just so you know, we're going right on through. They did also give us a Klaiyi hair lace band, but we ain't going to use it because they said this was glueless. So let me go on ahead and throw this unit up on my head. So this is her fully combed out right up on the head. I'm just making sure I secure this unit with the combs. Let me tell you, this unit with this beautiful breathable cap is everything. I really secured it. She feels super snug. That 4-4 lace, I do admittedly wish it was another inch or so, but that's just because personally I like a little bit more room in my lace. But I'm just going on through and really want to give you guys an idea of what she is looking like, just fresh out, fully combed, before we go in and style her down. So now that you guys have seen her down, I'm just going to go on through and throw mother up into a mammy tatting ponytail. Now, yes, this is a 4x4 lace, but she has options. So what you kind of do is want to go around the perimeter of the unit and really pull out some hair, just a little bit. Make sure your tracks is not showing because pudding pop, that ain't cute, okay, baby? It's 2023. The tracks is for you, not for nobody else, okay? So I'm going to throw this unit on up. I admittedly am not really into putting my units in a ponytail because I always feel like the back of the hair always gives you a little bit too much information. If you picking up what I'm putting down, I don't need everybody to see my house, and it's specifically not my kitchen. Okay, so I'm just going on through and throwing her up. But this latex in the back really does give you great options to throw this unit up. I was really, really surprised. I want to show you guys what it looks like, so I'm going to turn around for you. So now that we got this style nice and done and she's all up and ready to go, I still see a little bit of the kitchen, okay? Don't know how I feel about that, but I'm going to give you another style, wet this hair down, and see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. Okay, so I'm back. The unit is all wet down, okay? I wet her up, and I'm just going to go through with my wet brush. This is one of the better purchases that I've made. This brush is really, really beautiful. It helps me get right to the root, okay? So what you want to do when you're brushing out your Jerry curl unit is start at the bottom. Start at the bottom. Here you can see that we don't have much of any tangles in this unit, which we love that. I'm just going to go on through and work my way up. Now look at how beautiful the color has kind of like changed a bit now that she's wet. When she's wet, she gives you a real nice deep auburn look. This unit is very snug. Very, very, very snug. I love the latex in the back because she feels super secure. She has that vented cap, which means that there's no extra, it's not sewn down to a cap, and the tracks kind of give you the opportunity, if you're itching, to stick it right on in there, okay? So that's a big deal as well. This unit really is stunning. I just love how secure she feels. You could definitely get on a ride with this one. One thing that I love even more is that sometimes when you get these units and their closures and they have like that pre-cut lace, they don't come with combs. In this case, it comes with the comb and the adjustable band because they want to make sure, just in case you get into a tussle, sis, you good. You good, sis. So I'm of Love, Sex, and Magic. If you can see my cap in the back, that's because she is breathing. She's breathable, so she's a breathing, okay? So you're really into this. I'm going on through and just brushing her right on out. Again, this unit at 150% density and 22 inches is going for just about $259. It is a little bit more expensive if you want the 180%, but if I'm being quite honest, I don't even know you need to do that. Like, I don't know that you need to do that. I'm going to use my Lotta Body mousse to make sure we can keep this wet, sexy look, okay? I love when a unit's kind of lays flat. Like, look at how beautiful that is. And if you're wearing like a little bit of a, not a little bit, if you're wearing a glueless unit, like a wear and go, feel free to put a little bit of mousse right there in the lace. It can still be glueless, and you add a little bit of lubrication to the lace to help it melt a little bit better. Like, that always helps. Okay, so I'm just going on through and working our Lotta Body mousse in. I would typically use, and this is being quite honest, I would typically use the Shade Moisture Coconut Hibiscus mousse. That would be my first choice. This kind of makes the curls a little bit crunchier, where that one not so much. That would be my first choice. The thing is, and y'all been on my channel, I've been doing quite a bit of these Jerry curl wigs. And I know it's because it's about to be 100 degrees outside. So the girls is going to the pools, they're going to the beaches, and we need an alternative that's not going to have us glued down, okay? But the glue lifting up, the wig is sliding off, all of that. We ain't got time. We want to be sexy. Am I not giving Mona Lisa right now? The Mammy Tap Mona, Mammy Tap Lisa. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. She is perfect. Okay, I'm going to turn around because I want you guys to see the back of the hair. But look at how beautiful the curls have kind of, when they're hydrated, what they look like. Look how stunning that is. So let me turn around. I hope it ain't nothing nasty in the background because I can't see the other side of this. Better be getting with it. So this unit, again, is really, really sexy. Look at that. I'm done. And just like that, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Okay, like, I have nothing left to say. I think this unit is absolutely positively stunning. Do me a favor and check out Klaiyi hair. They're really coming on through with the units. I'm gonna be honest, in what I prefer when I'm doing a glueless unit, I prefer it to either be a 5x5 closure or a 6x4.5, so I can get a little bit more of this parting space in the back. But I'm not going to pretend like she didn't do the job. I'm not going to pretend like that. I'm going to give mother her just desserts, and as should you. So I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Do me a favor, subscribe to this channel. Let me know how you feel about this Klaiyi hair unit. And I'll see you mother jumpers on the other side. Bye.